Today, we'll dive into 3 crucial aspects for growing a successful YouTube channel. First, we'll discuss choosing the right topic. Second, we'll look at the key analytics for a strong channel that generates passive income. Finally, we'll share 3 powerful instructions to help any creator make viral videos. Choosing the right topic is the foundation of a successful YouTube channel. You need to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a sizable audience. Research trending topics within your niche to ensure your content is relevant and in demand. Make sure your topic provides value to your audience, whether it's through education, entertainment, or inspiration. Now, let's talk about the analytics you need to focus on to build a strong channel. First up is CTR, or click-through rate. A high CTR indicates that your thumbnails and titles are compelling enough to make viewers click on your videos. Aim for a CTR above 5%. Next, watch time is crucial. The longer viewers stay engaged with your videos, the better. This metric is important for YouTube's algorithm, which favors videos that keep viewers on the platform longer. Lastly, monitor your subscriber growth and engagement rate. A strong channel has an active and engaged community that interacts with your content through likes, comments, and shares. Here are 3 instructions to help any creator make viral videos. Hook your audience early. The first few seconds of your video are crucial. Start with a powerful hook that grabs attention immediately, such as an intriguing question, a bold statement, or an exciting preview of what's to come. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags to ensure your video ranks well in search results. Research trending topics and integrate those keywords naturally to attract more viewers. Encourage engagement. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Engaging with your audience through comments and community posts boosts visibility and builds a loyal following. There you have it. Choosing the right topic, focusing on key analytics, and following these instructions can help you grow a successful YouTube channel and create viral videos. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Inside Finance for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.